evaluate these arithmetic problems involving multiplication and division of scientific notation numbers. So the first example is negative 7.8 times 10 to the 9th over 2 times 10 to the negative 6th. Okay, so following our typical rules here, I'm going to say this equals, and then we're going to divide the numerical parts. Negative 7.8 over 2. Well, I guess they're all numerical, but the parts in front of the exponentiation on the 10. So negative 7.8 divided by 2 would be negative 3.9. Okay? Then we're going to multiply by 10 to the power of, and here we're going to follow the rule for the division of exponents because this is a division problem. And the division rule for exponents is that the new exponent is going to be 9 minus negative 6. In other words, when you divide, you subtract exponents. 9 minus negative 6 is 15. So our final answer here would be negative 3.9 times 10 to the power of 15. Okay, let's try another example of multiplication. Here we have negative 2 times 10 to the 7th multiplied by 4.9 times 10 to the negative 11th. Again, we're going to approach it in the same sort of way. We're going to look at the numerical parts. Negative 2 times 4.9 would be negative 9.8. And then we're going to look at the exponents on the tens separately. And here, since we're multiplying, the rule for the exponents here, the product rule for exponents is to add our exponents. So we have 7 plus negative 11. These are enemies, and it looks like the 11 is winning by 4. So we will have 10 to the negative 4. So negative 9.8 times 10 to the negative 4 for that one. Okay, I have a surprise one for you to try on your own, so pause the video and see if you can figure out on your own what is 8.4 times 10 to the negative 5th divided by negative 4 times 10 to the negative 4th. Okay, assuming you took a moment out to try that on your own, 8.4 divided by negative 4 would be negative 2.1 multiplied by 10 to the power of, and remember that here the rule was for the division property, the division of exponents. So our exponent on the 10 is going to be the top exponent of negative 5 subtracted by negative 4. And negative 5 minus negative 4 is negative 1. So your answer for this one would be negative 2.1 times 10 to the negative 1.